Facebook has some really, really detailed targeting options, right? You can go as broad as I want to target everyone who's 25 to 34 years old in the entire United States or the whole world. Or you can go a little deeper than that and say, I want to target people who are 35 to 55 years old, they're male, and they're financial planners who have a college education and are parents of kids who are over the age of 10, right? You can go really deep with the detail. And let's not forget, I didn't even mention what they're interested in, what their purchase behavior is, who they're connected to. I mean, there's a lot of things you can really dig into when it comes to creating that persona, because that's really what you're creating, right? When you're selling, let's say like a physical product, let's just say what's hot right now, a spinner, a fidget spinner, right?
Sure.
Who is that ideal for? Mostly people who are teenagers up to around 29 years old. That's what I found from my own testing, right? So the people who are typically buying that are, let's just say 16 to 29, predominantly male. Doesn't mean that women aren't buying, but predominantly male.
Sure.
And are people who are interested in research revolving around ADHD, autism, things around when people are physically fidgeting all day long. Now, of course, there's people who are going off of trends too, right? The people who see these videos on viral sites and on YouTube, and they're popping up on Facebook all day. The point is you have that core persona, 16 to 29, predominantly male. Now you're just creating the different groups. You have the ones who are looking at it from a scientific standpoint. Then you have the other group of people who are just buying it because it's the hot thing right now. Just like how hoverboards used to be huge, right?
Sure. Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So think about that. It's the same group. And then some people are like, oh, it's a cool gadget. And other people are like, this can actually get me around town pretty quickly, right? So you can create pockets of different types of customers, but they all start with that core demo, right? What's their age group? What's their gender? You can go even as far as how much money are they making? What's their purchase behavior? Do they buy a lot of gadgets, or do they buy offline or online more often? Facebook gives you a lot of things to work with.